Welcome to Chat5.5 AI, and we are so excited to bring this to you. Chat5.5 AI gets rid of all of those pesky subscriptions. There are so many AIs out there right now, and you don't know what to do with them, and you don't know what to get, when to use them. So we solve that for you. As soon as you get into Chat5.5 AI, you're able to see all of the modules that you have access to, and everything in here gives you access to write sales pages, apps, WordPress sites, WordPress applications, software, anything you put your mind to. Now, what we've written our sales page with that you are just on right now is this Chat 5.2 article wizard. And in here, we can make it write everything for us. It generates viral keywords for us that we can just point and click right now. An SEO optimized title. As many outlines as we want that summarize what the sales page will be about, so you have 100% control over what comes out. And then it starts generating the article, the sales page, the ebook, whatever you want it to generate, you can just tell it and it happens right in front of your eyes like this. But we didn't want to just give you a sales page wizard. We wanted to give you something that you can use in any situation you want. So you also have access to 10 different agents that are optimized on their subject. So if you want a finance expert, a nutritionist, you want an interior designer, you can chat with these AIs, you can send them images, and it uses that Chat 5.2 engine to give you the most up-to-date, the best information possible. Or maybe you want to create an image. Similar to how we've created the sales page with this app, we've also created every single image you saw on it with this app. So you're able to chat with it right here and ask it for anything you want. So for example, and then you can chat with it, you can ask it to modify things. It is like you're talking with an actual designer. And we're so excited to show you everything from video generators right here to your very own developer right here that can code in any language that you want, that can create anything you're looking for. Chat5.5 AI gives you access to anything you need. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, with integrated support and training, Chat5.5 AI is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.